We out here popping these firecrackers, you understand me? Light it, baby. Happy 4th. Happy 4th, baby. Pop it. Happy Independence Day, baby. From your girl Queen Sandy family to yours.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, out there. Where's that spider one?
Boy, God broke a cigarette.
He puffing on him. Get that hose pipe.
Oh my God. Mama, they got blood bubbles on the bed. Why?
Well, God. Pop goes the weasel because the weasel goes pop. You taking precaution, ladies and gentlemen.
Jesus.
Alright, come on with the next one.
Who next?
Bob, you threw a firecracker, baby?
Who next? What happened to the spider one? I really don't even know, bro. Yeah, like,
Great job, King. He taking precaution, making sure we don't start no fire, ladies and gentlemen.
Nah, where's brother? No shit.
Keeping it wet down there.
but I was like, what is the...
God bless you, baby.
Yeah.
That's Absy Jr., the one and only. Say what's happening, baby.
They still got the stroller.
We up here enjoying this Independence Day, ladies and gentlemen. You popped some firecrackers yet, Junior?
Robbery, baby.
You do, Mama. Keep in them. You don't know how to light it? Nah, I do. It's just on the other one where it's missing this thing.
Light it in a can. And then it's gonna be simultaneously on what? It's gonna pop like some chicken, some uptown chicken, in a deep fryer.
Put it in reverse, Terry.
Yeah.
Oh, they cutting up out here. Happy 4th of July to y'all over there, baby. Way over there.
That is Iran over there.
They fireworks, nice.
Ukraine right now, bro.
My life is that.
That baby say he ain't scared of nothing.
Grandma, you want to come back here, Mama?
Huh?
Grandma, you want to come back here?
She don't know. She out there
Where?
on the porch.
You left her on the porch?
Yeah, I have another.
Daddy said you got another
Mm.
life. That's what he said.
Here what?
Get back out. Don't like to sing.
I know Grandma got PTSD.
Know me a little easy.
Could have got her some earplugs.
They ran into each other. Alright, now dude, this one's gonna take a while. I want you to do it though.
It's gonna pop way over here, kid.
Nah, this is gonna sound like pop, 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 pop. Alright.
It's gonna be quick.
When you was showering, we got them. Girl, you ain't even hear.
Alright, look, grab some paper. When you got no paper, everybody got some paper.
Now I could go get some.
Good, look, I'm gonna light a paper and I'm gonna let you go like that. Cause I don't wanna light it because it's still in the show. Well, the second one,
We got some leaves.
the second one, at least put that in the lie. I said, fly here, I said, do like this.
Bro, it hit my leg. I was like, oh.
You want your brother to light it with you?
Daddy light it? Go ahead. Show him, right?
Show him, big brother.
You got clothes out here?
I know. I'm going to go and get it, King.
I don't even know.
Oh, Princess, you want to go get it for Mama right quick?
No, not really. I want to watch.
And walk away. Don't run and don't trip over your feet, baby. With them coyote eyes. Boy, where you spunk at?
You ready?
No, me and
I'm telling you, I'm gonna take off, bro.
Alright,
You
dude.
ready?
If I push it to the ground, you can blink.
Ready?
Yeah.
Boy, you better come hold my hand. I ain't
It's not gonna explode,
Ready?
dude.
Go ahead, dude. I'm gonna tell you when to take off. Nah, take
That
off.
queen back up.
Yeah, as soon as you see the little sparks and the sizzle, we gonna run. You ready? Go!
Damn, baby, damn. All that popping. Queen made you look. Happy 4th of July, baby. Happy Independence Day. Hope everybody enjoying themselves with their family. You heard me, eating up all that good ass barbecue. You heard me.
No.
Bro, shush. It's small.
What?
Yeah, then that's on metal, so it's not gonna harm anything.
That mother popping. Alright, why we got one more?
I'm scared to do that spider one. It was like big, stupid.
Oh yeah, that one just sit on the floor.
Nah, it's not. I think it'd be better if we did this on
Y'all
top.
just take them.
Yeah. Harder. What about that spider? What is that?
Are y'all popping fireworks with y'all family members today out there?
Did y'all pop
What this one do?
It's big.
Are y'all scared of firecrackers?
But it's dry. Like,
Daddy, next year